And away from banking, human resource leaders are focusing on enhancing technology to improve the productivity of remote workers, upgrade workforce management, and learning platforms to meet the changing needs of work. At an HR forum held in Accra, managers of human resource institutions were informed on how to deploy up-to-date digital tools to upgrade their line of work.
Technology development in human resource management is an important activity for the innovation process within any organization. At the HR Forum in Accra, it came to fore that innovation in human resource management helps to identify solutions quickly and flexibly during negotiation, identify new ideas for products and services, and the market. Dr. Sajith Jayaprakash said artificial intelligence, robotics, and blockchain are technologies that are currently being used in human resource development in the Western world. According to him, human resource managers should be abreast of these technologies to impact positively on the workforce in their various organizations.
Technology is no more an isolated field. It is intertwined in every aspect of business. So the aim of this workshop is to educate the HR managers on the emerging technologies, that is, fourth industrial revolution technologies, and help them to understand how it is going to impact the workplace in future. These technologies are making a massive bringing in a massive transformation in the Western world, and we believe that soon these transformations are going to happen in this part of the world as well.
HR managers of some institutions spoke about how the forum would impact on their line of work.
We tend to think with a human feel in the company, in the organization, but it's something that has come. The change would happen, so we all have to embrace it.
It's really giving us so many insights into how HR can leverage on technology and the fourth industrial revolution. HR and tech is the future, so we need to embrace it to be able to impact our organizations.
Most human resource managers agree that both remote and in-person hybrid work arrangements are here to stay, especially due to COVID-19. That fundamental shift has driven more HR leaders to invest in software and platforms to improve the ability of remote workers to collaborate, communicate, and deal with issues.